Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Decimals.
What does the dictionary say?
A fraction whose denominator is a power of 10 and whose numerator is expressed by figures placed to the right of a decimal point.
Math rap.
It's fun moving decimals. You can change sizes and decibels. 10.5 decibels. I'm as quiet as a mouse. Slide the decimal one right and I'll rock your house.
Math rap.
Decimals. What's the point? Why don't they just call them decismals? Name real-life examples where moving a decimal one place can make a big difference. Name an everyday place where you see decimals being used. They say that you can show decimals in fractions. Convert these 3 decimal numbers into fractions. Show me a 0.5, a 0.33, and a 0.25. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!